So this week our tub came in. It's a Aquapeutics, I guess it's called. So it's kind of like a jetted tub, jetted soaker tub with like a heating element added to it. It's supposed to drop in. So this is the first time we're going to see it. We're unboxing it now. First impressions, I think they did a great job of boxing it to protect it. So it came on a pallet. It's got wood sides all the way around. Doesn't seem like it has any damage, so I'm glad that nobody banged it up too bad. We'll get the straps taken off and these little clips and see what it looks like inside. So that's how it comes packaged on the inside. It's got these foam blocks around the perimeter. That would have done a good job of keeping the lid off of the tub. It's got foam around this edge here, foam into the sides. So I think they did a great job of packaging up, making sure it wasn't going to get damaged on the way here. I like the 1/4-inch plywood for the outsides. I think that looks really good. So I'm glad. It looks like it doesn't have any issues, no damages, anything like that. And looks like a pretty cool tub, I guess. So the reason that we wanted to get it early was the drain location and any of the spouts or faucets or anything like that. I wanted to pick the tub because there's some variation there. So now that we have this, we can get it set. I can also frame to it. So I didn't want to build out the dimensions and build where it would go. It is a drop-in, so we'll be framing out the like a floor and perimeter and everything for it. So this will make sure that I can kind of build all that stuff right out to the wall, think about what we want for our top surface and all that. So nice to have it. Now I've got a lot more work to do. And this is where that tub is going. The living room is over there. And so it'll come right into this space. That's why I didn't put this bottom plate down yet, for that very reason. We have kind of a box for that. We'll see if that's the right location for where that drains at and figure out where this tub gets located. I'm thinking about taking actually these two, either those, it's probably gonna be those. See if we can't move some of that stuff and take those two studs out and just bring it right in through that side wall. I think that's probably the easiest way to get in here and get it into position. That way I can bring it, I think, almost all the way in with the pallet jack and put it into place, and then we'll figure out how we frame a surround around it and get it plumbed in and everything.